All right, well, today we're gonna make some pizza. Making two pizzas. One's gonna be your basic bitch pizza, and one's gonna be a taco pizza. So we're gonna see what happens there. We've got a packet of this yeast. Shit's got 2 1/4 teaspoons in it. We're supposed to use 2 teaspoons, so we might have to do some math, which is fine. 3 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour, which is exactly what we've got. We're supposed to grease the bowl first. Oh, I gotta wash this now. You get out your handy little cup, boy. There you go. 1 cup, 2 cup, 3. This is a 1 teaspoon. This is a tablespoon. Getting wild. How much is a 1/4 teaspoon? Is it like a pinch?
0.25 of 1 teaspoon.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Now that I know the calculation, I can get it. Perfect. So what we'll do actually is we'll use the 1 tablespoon. We'll just spoon out 2 tablespoons. I don't want to get an infection.
Wait a minute. I thought you were supposed to do 0.25.
7/8 cup of lukewarm water. The recipe says you can do 7/8 to 1 1/8 cup, so you got like a 1/4 cup leeway in there. Milk. Is it in your toy room?
Yeah.
Apple juice? Okay.
No, what's grape juice?
Okay, grape juice.
Grape juice.
Grapey.
This is grape juice.
Okay.
Lemon juice. Lemon apple juice.
It's grape juice, silly.
No, apple juice.
Well, it's too late for all that.
This is the grape juice.
The grape juice. Back to it, huh? So you can use 7/8 to 1 1/8 cups of water. You use the 7/8 if it's humid or summertime, and we are in Texas, so it's both. So there's way too much salt here, and then you just kind of you say, oh, this is like maybe 1 more pinch, right?
Oh my god.
Oh my God!
They're yucky.
Is that yucky?
Yeah.
It's not gonna be yucky. All done? Not yet.
Really?
Nope, not even close.
No, Bear.
What's that?
Not even close. It's a long process.
Hold on. For a minute.
Looks like you didn't listen.
I done, Mama. I done.
Not yet.
Not yet.
It's supposed to be all powdery.
No.
Maybe I need more water.
Huh?
Just add some water like that. Ooh. Yeah, it seems to help a bit.
Ray, we need more water. Is there someone knocking on our door?
Yep.
It's probably a neighbor.
Hey man. How you doing? Good. You okay? We're gonna move a fridge here a little bit. Seems like overkill.
So in Texas, you need extra water.
Maybe. I don't know. I felt like we were doing good, going on the lower side, but it's humid as shit outside, so I don't really understand. Maybe the measurements are wrong.
Video.
It's not really dirty, it's just messy.
It's messy.
Messy. Give it a good
Let me-
slap.
Yeah.
What do you think? What do you think?
I think it's good.
To use
Yeah, it does fit
when
that
it's
bowl.
sitting. Yeah, it does fit the bowl. And we need to let it sit and rise for about an hour. So, oh, we didn't grease the bowl. We didn't grease the bowl. We greased the bowl.
The sous chef.
The sous chef. Cooking with the toddler. always fun. So that clock says 7:59. That clock is wrong.
So 8:59.
Take a look. If it needs to sit longer, that's okay. It just needs to be puffy. This is my knife. I like it a lot. My mom gave it to me. Thanks, Mom. This is an important time to note that sharp knives save fingers.
Oh, yeah. We do have 2 rats, though.
Where?
Berg and Taco.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, it's puffing.
Just kidding.
Oh, my God.
Gotcha!
Yep. What's wrong with your finger? Did you cut it?
A little bit.
Oh boy. After giving the speech about the sharp knives.
What? No reason. No reason.
Man.
Yeah. So yummy? What you got?
I got some good footage of Berg.
This is how I like to load up a bowl full of diced veggies. Optimizations for losers. I believe that's the move. This is a lot of work to make some pizza. Honestly, just go order on Domino's or something.
DiGiorno.
Or get it DiGiorno. Yeah!
Look at that face. Fungus.
Fungus.
So the main ingredients in this pizza is fungus and yeast.
Yep. Fungus and yeast. Are you appetized yet?
Yeah.
Dough's puffy.
It's puffed.
It's puffed. Yeah. Alright. Oh. Oh, yes. Okay. So we got some dough here. It's ready to go. We already spread out one pizza thing. This one's going to be pepperoni. This one's going to be taco. Until it starts pulling back. I forgot to grease this pan. So, that'll sit covered for 15 minutes. This is for the taco pizza. We got mozzarella, which is mostly for the pepperoni, but it's a little bit for the
Got mushrooms in it.
a little bit for the taco pizza. And then we got a Colby Jack as well.
Not quite.
The pizza crust making game is a lot of waiting. It's a pretty thin crust, so I think we're going to go with the 8 minutes. So it's 450 degrees. Shove this guy in there. Bye-bye. This pan is so big that it hits the back of the oven. That's fine. We'll start a timer here. 8 minutes. Boom. Easy game. Let's take a look. Ooh, steam. That looks pretty good. Yeah. Alright, so we need to sauce it.
Sauce it.
Sauce it, cheese it, topping it, and then cheese it again.
Hell yeah.
Just a small layer, right?
Well, we'll see.
Just kind of go like this, and we spread it around.
But probably more than that.
Probably more than that, yeah. How's that?
Probably more.
One more spoon?
I mean, it needs to go all the way to the edge.
Oh, all the way to the edge?
Mm-hmm. I put just a tad bit more.
How's that?
Come on, Mommy.
Yeah.
My daddy.
Yeah, that looks good.
Come on, some pepperoni first. Let's do the main ingredient.
What are you doing?
Nothing. It's not complete without shrooms.
Oh yeah. Oh, it looks good. It's gonna be good when it melts. You know what? We need to put some cheese right here in this bald spot.
Here?
That's a bald spot, and right around this edge
Here?
is a bald spot. Mm-hmm.
It's balding. Ready? 16 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, yeah, just do the
Just
15.
try to 10 and see how it looks, right?
Mm-hmm.
We can always add more time. It's hard to subtract time. You gotta get a special gem to do that.
Yeah, we don't need an event like happened last week. There's Bear's motorcycle in the most convenient spot.
Convenient for her. Pizza's ready. Let's take a look. Oh, baby. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. Look at that bad boy.
Oh yeah. Oh man, that's gonna be good.
Oof. That's going to be too good. Crunch.
See, crispy.
Hopefully, it doesn't taste like cardboard. I mean, it's pretty fucking crispy.
I like my pizza crispy. I
do
don't like it doughy and soggy.
Yeah. You don't like soggy pizza?
No.
I feel like soggy pizza is probably the best pizza.
And then, you know,
Oh, yeah.
so
Excellent. Yeah. Look at that. All right.
oh, it's steaming. It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Cheesy.
Oh, yeah. And that's too good.
That looks good.
Very hot.
This pizza is an experimental pizza.
All pizzas are experiments. This one doesn't fit. This one's shitty. So.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Very musical, very magical. A little too
That's what that's
hot.
supposed to sound like. Nothing like little grease burn.
Nothing like a little grease fire.
There we go.
Make sure you watch your.
I'm watching the beans. There's no time for childcare. We're in beans.
Yeah. So we got a lot of extra beans.
Only a few. There's more extra beans than there are beans for the pizza. All right, so we got a bit of a bean paste. All right, I'm getting there with the meat.
He's beating the meat.
I'm beating my meat. You know, sometimes you gotta beat your meat. You know?
Daddy.
Boo. Okay, sour cream. Let's see how it goes. Just plop a couple things in there. Sounds like it should be good. It looks okay. In theory. Can you even see what's happening? You're just getting my ass.
I'm getting the best shot.
It's a little sour creamier than I wanted, but I'm not upset about it.
Smoo sauce.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I added chipotle pepper, a little bit of garlic, added a tiny bit of ranch. Here we go. Boom. Put it in there for, let's do another 8 minutes. Oh, press timer. 8 minutes. Here we go. All right, let's check on this pizza. Pizza crust. Not ready yet. Not ready. Let's give it another minute. Oh yeah, that looks about ready.
This is a thick crust.
How do you think about that?
That looks good.
We'll get the sauce out towards the edges. This is pepper jack. Pepper jack. Hamburger meat. Or really taco meat.
Looks like a gigantic tostada.
It kind of does. Right.
And then cheese.
Cheese time. The cheese hides all of our sins. You see any bald spots? How's that?
That's better. It's Fiesta pizza.
Woohoo! What do you think about that?
Yep.
This one might be closer to 12. All right. See you in 10 minutes. Bye-bye. All right, it's pizza time. What do we got? Oh, man. Look at that thing.
It's a giant taco.
Giant tostada.
A giant tostada. Ooh, it looks good.
Yeah. Tacos are kind of
Ooh,
Tex-Mex too.
it's got thick cheese.
Thick everything. Here we go. There we go. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty good.